All right, I was up here working in the driveway today, and we have not had a cold winter here in PA yet, really. At least not where I've been. But let's look at this Amazon package. Now, I got my regular muck boots. Well, they need replaced. They don't hold back water anymore. They're pretty beat up. I've had them for years. Now, I went and I ordered some Arctic Sport muck boots. So these are the very insulated ones. They're supposed to keep your feet warm, pretty much like -40 or something like that, or -20. The reason I got these is, although it hasn't been cold here, is A, I've always wanted the insulated ones. Like last winter, these would have been great. But also because I'm getting ready to go out to Idaho and go play in the snow on snowmobiles and hit hot springs and all kinds of stuff. So I got these. So let's see how these do in Idaho. That's so stylish.
Right?
Where'd you get it? Is that Boscov's? I don't know. Where girls shop. Is that Five Below?
Kmart.
Is that Ross? Is that TJ Maxx? Is that Fashion Bug? Is that Route 21?
Buckle. Buckle.
Buckle what?
Macy's.
I don't buckle up. I don't care if it's a law. Sears?
It's a store. Buckles is
Is that JC Penney's? Gabe has this little Toyota. His little toy Toyota. What happened, Gabe? We were gonna go play in some snow. We're trying to.
Yeah.
But he broke his axle was already shot, so he said we're gonna keep driving it. And his lockers are all screwed up. Hold on, wait, Gabe. Why don't you just drive a little bit?
Oh, look at that.
All right,
Dude, they make good babies.
it's not supposed to make that noise. All right, let's get a nap and get another axle. We'll fix this, then we'll come back out here and tear some snow up. Me, go to the dollar store. Ooh.
Yeah, Betty gets so mad, it's great.
Huh?
Said Betty gets so mad, it's
Why?
great.
Why'd she get mad that you buy containers?
That they're for the house.
Oh, she buys them, you take them.
No, I buy them and she tries to take them.
Oh. The axle moving. Wow, that is a. Oh, yeah, that knuckle has to come off, dude. There's no way. Gabe, there's no way. What kind of foreign truck setup is this? Ooh, that's close there.
Mm-hmm.
She must went for a ride.
I don't think it's
Isn't there handles for that?
somewhere.
It's not jacking up.
It's not jacking up.
No, you gotta turn that tighter.
It is tight. That's good.
Now, look at that. The whole thing's back together already.
Only a half hour. It's pretty good.
Yeah. Get rid of Donald.
Somebody.
Well, lock in there. Keep working that wheel. The road, look at the road. You can see how grand we are in this truck. See, it's all ice. So he says he has chains, but he ain't know if the chains fit the tires. Heaven forbid we size them up before we get stuck in the middle of a mountain.
I think they're all left-handed.
Yep.
Alright. See how much longer?
Oh man, that's like way too big.
I don't think that we can make. I don't know if you can make that work.
That won't work. All right.
Bungee cord it.
They were big. They were big tires. So.
Good lord. All right, there we go. Okay, well, this should be adventurous without chains. What's that?
I was just thinking I could probably put it in 4 low and we could just keep going.
You want to try it quick
Yeah.
before we jump all in and see what it does?